Julia's getting us a pizza. Hi, Jewel. Where's a cheese pizza? It's so good. It's good pizza. Save some for the piglets. Ew. Eggshells and meat fat. Pears?
Yes, peaches or something.
Oh, there were some peaches in there. Let's go get the piglets. Hey, piglets. Want some pizza? Hey, girls. Want some pizza? So we get us a pizza. Uh-oh. It's like frisbee golf, only with piglets and pizza. It's very messy in there. Piglets. So we like it, that pizza. They grab it and run. They can't remember that Julia's not in here. You like that pizza? Hi, piglets. Want some popcorn? Mmm. Just dump it in there.
I don't want to give it all to them.
What you gonna do with it?
Give them some tomorrow.
Hey, piglets. So we're having a pizza party. It's pizza and popcorn. Look at her ear where Julia bit her. We had to get that mama back out of here, didn't we, girls? That mama's a mean girl. You're having a pizza party. Uh-oh, uh-oh. Don't get out this gate, that's for sure. Ooh, I'm in the mud. Oh, gross! My shoe's stuck. Ew. All right. This party's getting a little messy.
Oh, I love them.
Gross. My whole shoe is full with...
Duke.
I hope it's mud. Bye, piggers.
Oh, that's Duke, all right.
That's gross, B.
I get it.
Hey, Jules. Did you eat all your pizza, girl? Did you eat all your eggshells and meat scraps? Yeah, say, I want some popcorn, Papa.
Get her to go with that.
No, just get in there and give it to her. She won't hurt you.
Tear the bag.
She won't tear the bag. There's a bunch of sacks. You gonna have some popcorn, Jules? We can give that to the chickens too. They'll love it. There's one more sack in there. Gonna risk it? Oh, nice shot.
All Alright, Mom.
I'll put some in here for these chickens.
I heard you, baby.
Okay.
Where you want it?
Well, so we can't stay in the fence with our people, so we have to stay in the little coop. No, I'll just put some in there. Just put it on the ground. They'll get it. Alright, well, it's taken us forever, but we intend to put some popcorn in this coop. Like, share, subscribe. Whoa, wait a minute. What's going on? That's probably enough, B. There's only 2 chickens in there.
Oh. Hey. Yeah.
We're coming with you.
Baby, we ate 40 minutes ago.
My screen is frozen.